Hello friends, welcome to another Bitget tutorial. In this particular video, I'll be showing you how you can convert USDT to Toncoin on Bitget Exchange in just few clicks. Yes, that's it. And let's continue with the video. In my previous video, I showed you how you can buy USDT on Bitget Exchange using the P2P marketplace. And one thing is, whenever you buy USDT using the P2P marketplace inside of Bitget, your money goes into your funding account. There's an account called funding account. But to be able to convert your USDT into Toncoin, that your money that is inside funding account must be in your spot account. There are differences between spot account and funding account on Bitget. So the first thing we will do here is to transfer your funds, your USDT, from your funding account into your spot account. So what we do now is click where it says assets at the bottom right corner of your page. Click on assets. Once you click on assets, you want to make sure that on top of the page it has to be on overview or spot. It should not be on futures and or any other thing that is up here. It should be on overview, and once it's on overview, you can see that I have 7.42 USDT inside of this account. So what you do here, if you click on USDT here, you can see that there is something called spot and there is another account called funding, and I have money inside of these both accounts. But to be able to transfer or to be able to convert your USDT into Toncoin, all your money you want to convert has to be in your spot account. So what we do first is click on where it says transfer. Once you click on transfer, it's going to bring up this page. And where it says from spot BTC, you want to click on the arrow, on the drop down arrow at the right side of your screen where it says from. Click on that right arrow and click on funding, because that account, that money, that USDT is inside funding. So click on funding, and where it says to, click on that arrow again and click on spot, because what we are doing is to transfer from funding account into spot account. So it has to be from funding account to spot account. Once these two things are set like this, go under it, you will see where it says the amount, the transfer amount, the amount you want to transfer from funding wallet, from funding account, where it says coin USDT. You want to set it to USDT because that's the coin you want to transfer. And the transfer amount, I want to transfer all my assets from funding accounts to spot account. So click on all. Or if you don't want to transfer all, you can use the entire amount to set it manually, the amount you want to transfer. But me, I want to transfer all, so I'll click on all. Once I click on all, it will put the amounts here. What I have is inside of my funding account is 5.91. So after that has been set, I click on confirm at the bottom of the page. Once I click on confirm, it says funds transferred. Now the fund has been transferred. Click on confirm again to make sure that goes through. Okay, after that, click on back. Once you click on back, click on USDT again, and now you will see that all the money has been transferred to my spot account. It says $7.3 has been transferred to my spot account. So now let's go over to converting this USDT we have here into Toncoin. So what you do is click on the home page, go over to the home page once again. Make sure you're on the home page. Once you're on the home page, click on where it says more. You will see rewards, referral, copy, launch pool, and more. Click on the more. Once you click on more, it will bring up this page. And once you're on this page, make sure you're on the popular tab. Once you're on the popular tab, scroll down a little bit and you'll see the option that says convert. Click on convert. And once you click on convert, it's going to show you convert from USDT to Bitget coin. So we were converting from USDT but not to Bitget wallet. We want to convert to Toncoin. So click on the arrow beside the Bitget wallet, the BGB. Click on the arrow beside it. Once you click on that arrow, you're going to see several coins where you can convert to, but what we want is Toncoin. So click on the search icon, then search for Ton. click on turn once it pops up, and now it's going to ask you of the amount you want to convert from USDT to turn. Me, I want to convert all the money I have in this account, which is, so if you want to convert all, just click on max. But if you don't want to convert all, set the amount you want to convert manually. But me, I want to convert all, so I'll click on max. Once I click on max, it's going to pull up everything I have in that account, and as you can see, I have $7.3, and it's showing me the equivalent amount you will have in turn. It says this, so I'm going to click on get quotes. Once you click on get quotes, it's going to show me I'm converting $7.3, and in turn I will be getting 1.26850,943 ton. So after I have seen that this is correct, it says fees 0. This is the good thing about Bitget, 0 fees, but in other platforms you'll be charged fees. It says fees 0, so I'll click on update quote. Once you click on update quote, it's going to say confirm. Before this countdown stops, click on confirm, and once again it says conversion successful. Now you have all your money converted from USDT into Ton coin. In my next video, I will show you how you can transfer money, how you can transfer Ton coin from Bitget Exchange into Bitget wallet. Okay, so if you want to watch that video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, and I'll see you in that video. Thanks for watching. See you in that video.